Welcome back friends, to my new video. My name is Amrit. In this video we talk about WhatsApp new update and its new upgrades. Please watch full video. So let's start. WhatsApp has made headlines several times in the last few months by introducing new and highly demanded features in its beta builds. Many new features like increased file sharing size, emoji reactions, and the ability to hide your last seen from specific contacts will soon be made available in the live build of the app. Reports have emerged that WhatsApp has started rolling out a new update to the iOS version which includes support for 32 persons calls, an overhauled core user interface, waveforms, and other improvements. The update is coming to the live build of WhatsApp on iOS. Till now, WhatsApp has allowed users to make group phone calls with multiple persons at the same time. A group voice conversation previously could accommodate up to 8 people, but WhatsApp is now rolling out a new update that enables up to 32 participants. Voice calls with up to 32 people would be possible in WhatsApp groups. WhatsApp has also modified the way participants are displayed on the screen to fit the additional members. Waveform images are used to label different WhatsApp users. New feature comes with the update version 22.8.80 and is sized at 109.7 MB for iPhones. Android users are also expected to soon get a similar update with these new features. However, it will not be available on the desktop client. Friends, how did you like this new WhatsApp update? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.